हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हैश पैंडा, डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड मीमी टोकन। Hash Panda aims to become the most decentralized meme token in existence, distributing its token to over 1 million users and surpassing Dogecoin in the number of holders. Join Telegram, buy on PancakeSwap V2. BSC Scan, Coin Market Cap, CoinGecko, Trust Wallet, PancakeSwap, Coinbase, Nomics, Stock Tweets. Panda features auto liquidity, locking, yield farming, and DApp utility token. Token features that benefit users and token holders. Features a Panda utility for DApps. Auto yield farming. Distribution. Decentralized distribution using community mechanisms. Programmatic distribution. Community rewards. Typing users creators. Benefits. Countless benefits for Hash Panda token holders. Fairly distributed, rising price floor, anti-whale safety. The Hash Panda project. Hash Panda mission is to become the most decentralized and most fairly distributed meme token in the world. We've pioneered a distribution mechanism that allows us to distribute tokens in a social way, preventing whale dumps and thus creating a safe haven asset, asset that can serve a piggy bank for years to come. Additionally, our token holders receive 3% of all transactions, providing the benefit of automatic yield farming. The problem. Hash Panda solves the problem of unfair token distribution and frequent whale dumps. The Dogecoin, for example, the largest holder on 28 of all tokens. This holder could handedly crash the price by an estimated 96%. Most other tokens have a similarly uneven supply distribution. For these tokens, a handful of individuals own major portions of the supply, resulting in continuous dumps and unsustainable price pressure in the long term. The solution. Hash Panda solves this problem through an invocated social distribution mechanism. This mechanism is responsible for distributing 80% of all annuity eventually circulating Panda tokens to a wide ranging of holders, 2 million token holders to be precise, making Hash Panda the most decentralized meme token in existence. This is done by programmatically subscribing to all transactions on Binance Smart Chain, which are public by nature, and randomly picking a couple thousand winners each day who are gifted with a set number of Panda tokens. The receivers of Panda tokens usually become long-term holders and loyal project supporters. Decentralized distribution. We believe our approach is the fairest and most sustainable way to create a decentralized token. It helps to ensure the stability of the future token value and serves as an effective anti-whale measure. You can track the distribution progress of 400 T Panda tokens below. The progress bar is updated every 48 hours. Hash Panda distribution progress 98.1%. On October 15, 2021, Hash Panda reached its biggest milestone. Its distribution was officially completed, reaching more than 75,222 real holders. A small number of tokens are reserved for a final 1.9% airdrop distribution through a grand final champion. In summary, Hash Panda is now risk-free, no more unlocked supply. Hash Panda is the largest panda token in the world. Hash Panda is the most decentralized token on BSC. Hash Panda is the most distributed digital asset in existence. Hash Panda has now more than 750 crore real holder and over 40 crore community members. Hash Panda is the largest economic experiment on BSC in its history. Hash Panda has officially completed its distribution phase and is ready for takeoff. Token holders 751,222. Circulating supply 113,559,50,000,000. Market cap 2,673,722. Community size 37812 plus members. Common questions. How can I buy Hash Panda tokens? What is your roadmap? What is the marketing for Hash Panda? What are the tokenomics of Hash Panda? Why did I receive Panda tokens? Please refer the decentralization distribution section of this page. You will either sign up for an airdrop, added value on the project, transferred on BSC, translated with Panda, or used on our DApps. What is the Hash Panda token contact address? The official BEP220 BSC address is 0 multiply 8578 EB576 E126 F67913 AB 8BC06 22E0A22. What is the token ticker for Hash Panda? Join the Panda gang. Join Telegram. Buy on PancakeSwap V2. हमारे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए। शुक्रिया, थैंक यू जिनको या